SM-J5 Pro FRP. When you formatted your phone, you forget to use Gmail. Just one click, you can remove your FRP. Go your laptop. Just open the UMT Samsung tools. Okay, click tools. That's it, nothing, select anything. Just you may connect your phone with computer. Keyboard. Okay, and go to UMT tool application. You select tool, then just click bypass. No need select anything, just click the bypass. Then see the application instruction. Okay, see clearly on phone, click on emergency call and go to phone now. See, just click emergency. Okay, then star hash 0 star hash, that's it, and you click OK. See. Now see, authorize your phone. Good. See, there is showing one message. You click allow and OK. Let's click here OK. Okay, your phone is unlocked. See, phone is unlocked. Working everything. Just now you make reset again. Okay, done.